Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. I'm Rajesh. Today I'm unboxing the Adidas Aztor Hiking shoes from Myntra. It's cost around 4,999 rupees, but from Myntra I get it in Diwali for 3,143, means 3,000 rupees. So start unbox it. Okay guys, you can check it. It is 3,143 rupees and it delivered today from Myntra. Okay guys, it's Adidas hiking shoes, Aztor hiking shoes, Adidas. Guys, after opening the seal and uh, uh, open the seal, I got that box that is from Myntra. Let's check it out. What's on the side? Let's see guys, that's 4,999 rupees. Okay, but I get this from Myntra for Diwali offer or Diwali sale only for, check it out, only for 3,148 rupees. So it's get me 25% or something. So let's check it out. How is the quality of the shoe? That's the Adidas Aztor Hiking shoes. So it seems like it's good. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so for 3,000 rupees it's original bike. Let's check. No, it's the original one. Wow, the sole is great. It's really great for hiking, and for 3,000 rupee I'm lucky to get it. So thank you Myntra for the Diwali sale. Look at guys, this is the best Adidas hiking shoe for such a low price. Let's check it out. I'm giving you the link below where you can buy one for you from Myntra. So it's your time. What is the price you get? Either it's 3,500, 3,000 or 4,999 rupees. If you are lucky to get, then you can find it for 2,999 rupees. So it's your luck what you can get. For me it seems like the best for 3,000 rupee, and the shoes are Aztor hiking shoes. Okay, so I'm giving you the link below where you can buy it for you. And look at it, feels great, and also it has high sole, and it's a great hiking shoe for 3,000 rupees is the best. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like that, so give me a thumbs up, and thanks all. Okay, I'm giving you the pics of every side, up and low, at the last of the video, so check it out. Thank you.